After I heard about that, I never bought washing powder again. I started making it at home and save a lot of money. So check this out, folks. This is another good recipe to save a lot of money. Today, I'm gonna show you how you can make homemade washing powder. It's quite economical. You won't spend more than a few bucks. And this recipe makes a lot. And for that, we're gonna need 2 bars of glycerin soap, just like these blue ones here. First step, we're gonna need to grate these 2 bars of soap very well. Alright folks, I grated very well, and look how cool. Like I said, this recipe makes a lot. And now for the next step, we're gonna need 1 bar of coconut soap. Coconut soap, by the way, is pretty cheap and it helps to remove stains too. So it's gonna be just amazing for our recipe. So let's do the same thing here. Go ahead and grate it real good. And there you have it. It looks pretty cool too. And finally, let's finish with a bath soap bar. This one is also not expensive, and this is gonna be responsible for the aroma, okay? I got this little blue one, but make sure to pick one that you like the smell of, to be more specific, because that's what's gonna make our soap smell good. And there you have it folks, a lot of grated soap bars. And now for the next step, let's mix everything very well using our hands until it becomes one thing. And then for the next step, you're gonna need any baking sheet you have at home. Then put all the soap in here. It has to be spread evenly though, okay folks? And now let's get it out in the sun for about 2 hours. Let's leave it out there until it's dry. Come with me, I'll show you. So here it is, 2 hours later. And now this is really dry, and that's exactly what we want. Because now we can turn this into powder. And for that, we're gonna use a blender. But let's not put it all at once. Let's add little by little. So put a small amount, and now we're gonna blend all of this little by little. Okay folks? Until it becomes literally a powder. And here it is. Take a look. Actually, we can blend some more. That's why it's important to add little by little. Add a little, blend it, then move it a little. Be patient and it's gonna be amazing. Now let's add some more, and in that way I'm going to blend all of this. And here it is folks. I've already blended all the grated soap, and take a look at the crazy amount we managed to make. It's a lot. And now let's go ahead and put everything in a big container and weigh it, so we can know exactly how much we managed to make. Okay, so the scale is set. Now let's add our washing powder. And check it out folks, 180 grams, which gives about 30 ounces. And I gotta tell you, I spent very little to make 30 ounces of washing powder. So this is really worth a try. Make it at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the result.